Artificial intelligence is no longer the future. It is the present. In 2026, AI-powered businesses are creating massive opportunities for beginners, creators, and entrepreneurs. In this video, we'll break down 4 of the best AI business ideas to start in 2026, how they work, and how you can start each one step by step, even with little or no experience. 1. YouTube Faceless Channel with AI. YouTube channel is one of the most popular AI businesses in 2026. You don't need to show your face or use your voice. How it works: AI tools help you generate scripts, voiceovers, visuals, and even full videos automatically. Popular niches include motivation, finance, health, tech, AI education. How to start one. Choose a niche with high demand. 2. Use AI tools to write video scripts. 3. Generate AI voiceovers. 4. Create videos using AI video tools. 5. Upload consistently and monetize with ads, affiliate links, or digital products. Why it's powerful: low cost, scalable, and passive income potential. 2. AI commerce, smart online selling. AI commerce means selling products online using AI for product research, marketing, and customer support. How it works: AI helps you find winning products, create product descriptions, design ads, automate customer responses. You can sell via dropshipping, print on demand, or digital products. How to start one. Pick a platform: Shopify, Amazon, Etsy. 2. Use AI to research trending products. 3. Create AI-generated product listings. 4. Launch AI-powered ads. 5. Automate support with AI chatbots. Why it's powerful: AI reduces guesswork and increases conversion rates. 3. AI affiliate marketing. AI affiliate marketing is promoting other companies' products and earning commissions powered by AI content creation. How it works: AI creates blogs, videos, emails, and social media content that promote affiliate links. How to start one. Join affiliate programs, software, tools, courses. 2. Pick one platform: YouTube, blog, TikTok. 3. Use AI to create content consistently. 4. Optimize content using AI SEO tools. 5. Earn commissions on autopilot. Why it's powerful: no product creation, no inventory, and high scalability. 4. AI publishing, digital content business. AI publishing focuses on creating and selling digital content, like ebooks, low-content books, courses, newsletters. How it works: AI helps you write, edit, design, and publish content faster than ever. How to start one. Choose a profitable topic. 2. Use AI to generate high-quality content. 3. Design covers and layouts with AI. 4. Publish on Amazon KDP or your website. 5. Market using AI tools. Why it's powerful: one-time creation, long-term income. Final thoughts. In 2026, the best AI businesses are not about replacing humans. They're about leveraging AI as a smart assistant. Whether you choose a YouTube Faceless Channel, AI commerce, AI affiliate marketing, or AI publishing, the key is consistency, learning, and execution. Start small, use AI wisely, and build your digital empire.